Tournament trees do exist, but it doesn't mean that there's tournament amongst them. Watch till the end of the video to know about forest trees and also about how to convert a forest into one single tree. Welcome back to my channel Science Tutorials. We simplify and bring the concepts of science to you for easy understanding. So, if you're new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And also share the videos with your friends and hit the like button. Selection tree or tournament tree. The data structure used to select a winner or a loser in a tournament is called a tournament tree. So it is basically the tree data structure that is being used. If there are n leaf nodes where each leaf node will be representing the player, then if there are n leaf nodes, there are n players in that tree and number of tournaments would be n minus 1. Now, selection tree or tournament tree has two types in it. One is the winner tree and the other the loser tree. So, under the winner tree category, we have min winner, max winner. And under the loser tree, we have min loser and max loser. So, min winner. The node with a smaller value is the winner. See, for example, in this tree, the first subtree leaf nodes are 10 and 3. So, the number that is having least value is 3. So, let's fill it out in the parent node of those leaf child nodes. Yeah. And among 4 and 60, the number which is having lesser value is 4. And now, among 3 and 4, the value that is least is 3. So, you put it in the root node. And hence, 3 is the min winner. If you see the concept of max winner, node with larger value is the winner. Compare 10 and 3. 10 is having a value greater than 3. So, fill the parent node as 10. And when you compare 4 and 60, the node which is having larger value is 60. So, you fill it with 60. Now, compare 10 and 60. Obviously, 60 is greater. So, you fill it up in the root node and 60 is the max winner. Same goes with loser tree. Min loser, the node with smaller value is loser. If you consider this, 3 is of lesser value, 4 is of lesser value, you select 3 and 4 and then 3. So, in min loser tree, 3 would be the loser. And in case of max loser tree, as here 60 is the winner for max winner tree. In case of loser tree, 60 is the loser. Now, coming to forest trees. What is forest tree? It is a collection of 0 or more trees. Example, forest with 3 trees. Consider tree 1, which is having root node A and 3 child nodes, that is B, C and D node. Consider tree 2, which is having the root node named as E and it has one right child, that the right child node, that is F. Now tree 3 is having G as the root node and H and I are their left and right child respectively. So now tree 1, tree 2 and tree 3 together can be called as a forest. Now let's see how you can convert a forest to one tree. Let's take the above example. We have 3 trees, isn't it? Tree 1, tree 2 and tree 3. Now we can combine all these 3 trees to form a forest. So convert each tree to binary tree, that is left child right sibling. If you remember in the previous videos, I had already explained to you what left child right sibling is. It is one of the tree representation. If you have missed out on the video, I will link it in the eye over here and then you can watch them and get back to this video. So tree 1, root node is A, you write it here, and then B, C, D are the child nodes. So you make it as left child right sibling. Left child, you have B. Then you make the other two child nodes C and D as the right sibling to B. Consider tree 2. It has only one child. So make F as the left child for the node E. Now consider tree 3. You have two child nodes H and I for given node G. For G, you're making H as the left child and I as the right sibling. So this is the left child right sibling for the given 3 trees. Second step is attach each tree or the root as the right child of the previous tree. So for this, consider the node A and its left. Now we can add the child nodes of tree 1 in degree 2 way of representing trees. Then add tree 2's root as right child of node A. And then node F can be attached as the left child of node E. Hence, we can attach the next tree, that is tree 3, as the right child of the root of previous attached tree. Please do subscribe to our Science Tutorials channel and also press the bell icon to get more instant updates immediately.